Luxury crystal decoration set. There are 48 PCS nail art jewels and charms in our package, each single one is a different style. Our 3D nail decorations have sufficient quantity and different styles, which can meet all your needs for DIY nail art. Excellent craftsmanship. Our nail art charms are made of alloy and glass, they are reliable, durable, sturdy and not fragile. These rhinestones are precisely cut to reflect a charming bright luster, make your nails shine and eye-catching. Exquisite Design. They are 48 different shaped of nail rhinestones in our package, including bow, crown, snowflake, heart and so on, which are enough for your daily design. The sizes are suitable for your natural nails and acrylic nails. The nail jewels have a base for applying to the nails easily and the gem surface reflects the charming bright luster. Available occasions. The nail jewelry can not only be used to decorate nails, but also can be widely used in DIY projects. You can use it to decorate your computer, phone case, glasses, guitar, bag, etc. You can also develop their usage by yourself, which will bring a lot of fun to your life. Perfect gift. 3D nail diamond stones are the good helper for people who like nail art to create their own nail style. They are the wonderful choice for you to send it to your female friends and families as a gift. Top reviews from the United States. Very pretty. The product is lovely. The packaging was not. The bag looked like it was run over by a truck, was filthy and torn, and the plastic packages with the products were torn open and spilled everywhere.